Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best international travel adapter. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you're looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Epicka Universal Travel Adapter. A travel adapter helps charge your electronic devices on the go, whether you're taking a short trip across the pond or hopping on a worldwide adventure. It contains the 3 most common international plugs and a US-style plug, which should cover you in the majority of countries around the world. The Epicka Universal USB Travel Power Adapter offers support for more than 160 countries, including the US, Europe, and Australia. It has a universal design that allows a multitude of plug options. It has the most USB ports, 4 of the standard USB-A and 1 USB-C of any universal adapter we tested, and it could charge more of our devices faster. The inclusion of 4 USB ports on its front allows the charging of 5 devices at a single time. The first set of USB ports charges at 2.4 ampere, making it ideal for tablets, cameras, and phones for faster charging, while the remaining 2 ports charge at 2.1 ampere, making them better suited for phones only. A replaceable fuse and an included spare should take the brunt of any accidental, unfortunate, or shockingly bad connections. The Epicka is fairly compact and well built, and it even comes with an extra USB cable and a nylon case. As with a number of universal adapters, the Epicka is designed with 110V devices in mind, which means it's not recommended for higher powered appliances such as hair dryers or flat irons. However, no universal travel adapter is truly universal, and they're all a lot bulkier and more expensive than simple plug adapters. If you want the smallest adapter possible, or if you're going someplace where a universal adapter won't work, more on that in a minute, then a plug adapter could be what you need. Number 2. SublimeWare Power Plug Adapter. The SublimeWare Power Plug Adapter was made for the traveler with a lot of small electronics. The universal adapter features a total of 4 USB charging ports that'll suit everything from tablets and phones to Bluetooth speakers and smartwatches. Note, however, that this device is not a power converter, so it's best used with smaller electronic devices like phones, tablets, laptops and cameras. It promises to work in more than 150 countries. 3 USB-A ports on the bottom, as well as a USB-C port that supports power delivery and quick charge 3.0 to deliver up to 18 watts. That's enough to fast charge most phones and tablets, not so much a laptop. You can plug in your laptop's AC charger to speedily juice it back up, but that means carrying the heavy charging brick around. There's support for the power delivery, PD, and programmable power supply, PPS, standards. Samsung uses PPS in its flagship range, so it can fast charge almost any phone or tablet. It's expensive, but this travel adapter will satisfy even the most gadget-laden of travelers. Number 3. Mingtong Worldwide All-in-One Universal Travel Adapter. When it comes to must-have products while traveling internationally, few items are more important than a universal travel adapter. Supporting worldwide charging in more than 150 countries, the Mingtong Travel Adapter is designed to work with 5 different types of input plugs all in a single adapter. From a tech standpoint, this is one of the more powerful devices out there for a small adapter. You can charge multiple devices at once at a reasonably high speed. Featuring dual USB ports, a built-in LED power indicator and safety fuse protection, this affordable universal travel adapter is one of the best budget-friendly options on this list. The compact adapter does not, however, convert voltages, but the fuse protection will ensure it won't damage your electronics. It comes with 4 international plug adapters that will work in more than 150 countries at an affordable price point. Overcurrent protection automatically shuts down the power if there's abnormal usage. The dual charging ports are capable of working with nearly any USB device, including Android and iOS, as well as tablets, MP3 players, digital cameras, GPS, and more. Number 4. Zendure Passport II Pro. Zendure's all-in-one travel adapter is what I toss in my bag first for every trip. It has a boxy design with sliding toggles to switch between US, European, and British plugs. It covers more than 200 countries. There's an auto-resetting fuse to protect your gadgets from power surges, and the Passport 2 has a 10 ampere limit. The latest version also sports a funky, translucent design with a metallic finish. Sadly, there's no grounding here like the Epicka, so you shouldn't use this adapter with any device that has a third metal grounding pin on its plug. Time is often of the essence on travels, and no one wants to sit around in a hotel room waiting for a phone or camera battery to charge. Enter the Zendure Passport II Pro, an extremely high-power adapter that has an output of 61 watts. That means you can charge an iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes, or a 13-inch MacBook Pro in just 2 hours. Best of all, there are 6 charging ports, 1 AC socket, 3 USB, and 2 USB-C. If you're worried about blowing the fuse, reminder, this is not a converter, don't sweat it. The fuse auto-resets when it's overloaded, and it can do so up to 6,000 times before it needs to be replaced. Number 5. Bestek Universal Travel Adapter and Voltage Converter. If you're willing to sacrifice space in your suitcase for extra capacity charging capabilities, this is the adapter/converter for you. It has an impressive 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports with a total capacity of 250 watts, making charging multiple devices at once a breeze. Better yet, this is an adapter/converter combo with 4 prong types, which means you can use most devices with it, but not high-power ones like hair dryers. Still, it does have some pretty impressive tech specs, including surge and short-circuit protection. We also like that the EU plug comes with a short extension cord, which makes it easier to use the adapter/converter if the outlet is in an inconvenient location. Widely regarded as a great travel adapter, the Bestek Travel Adapter Converter is a superb combination that provides the best of 2 important worlds. As an all-in-one solution, the Bestek not only offers 3 separate international travel adapters covering more than 150 countries, but it also doubles as a 220-volt to 110-volt converter for reducing load and avoiding overheating your most precious travel items. Capable of charging multiple devices at once, the Bestek adds 4 USB charging ports for a combined total of 6 A output, plus 3 AC ports. The travel-ready design comes complete with a bag for easy storage and a 5-foot power cable. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.